Animal Factory.
Released 2000, directed by Steve Buscemi. More Animal Factory 22 of 22, the weirdest Willem Dafoe performances that prove he's great in everything. 36 of 114, the best prison movies. 32 of 88, the best Willem Dafoe movies.
1941.
Released 1979, directed by Steven Spielberg. More 1941, 206 of 374, the 50-plus best war movies ever made. Ranked 453 of 1137, the absolute funniest movies of all time. 275 of 456, the most quotable movies of all time.
Out in 50.
Released 1999, directed by Bogus Christopher, Scott Anthony Leet.
Fade to Black.
Released 1980, directed by Vernon Zimmerman.
Once Upon a Time in Mexico.
Released 2003, directed by Robert Rodriguez. More Once Upon a Time in Mexico. 721 of 1540, the most rewatchable movies. 90 of 123, the best assassin movies. 387 of 541, the greatest guilty pleasure movies.
Double Team.
Released 1997, directed by Sui Hart. More 11 of 2020, bad movies that are actually really good. 13 of 2020, bad action movies that are actually good. 16 of 1818, movies you thought were stupid that are secretly brilliant satires.
City in Fear.
Released 1980, directed by Judd Taylor.
Sin City, A Game to Kill For.
Released 2014, directed by Robert Rodriguez, Frank Miller. More Sin City, A Dame to Kill For. 83 of 177, the greatest comic book movies of all time. 70 of 224, the worst sequels of all time. 11 of 13, these movie sequels came out so long after the original that no one cared anymore.
White Sands.
Released 1992, directed by Roger Donaldson.
Picture Claire.
Released 2001, directed by Bruce McDonald.
The Expendables.
Released 2010, directed by Sylvester Stallone. More The Expendables. 145 of 480, the greatest movies for guys. 42 of 89, the greatest movies about CIA agents and operatives.
Shades.
Released 1999, directed by Eric Van Looy.
Get Carter.
Released 2000, directed by Stephen T. K. Moore. Get Carter. 99 of 216, the best R-rated crime thriller movies. 32 of 63, the best Sylvester Stallone movies. 104 of 178, the best movies about getting revenge.
Berlin, I Love You.
Released 2019, directed by Diana Agron, Peter Chelson, Fernando Imk, Justin Franklin, Dennis Gansel.
Desperate Hours.
Released 1990, directed by Michael Cimino.
A Crawl.
Released 2002, directed by John Alardis. Released 1997, directed by Francis Ford Coppola. More The Rainmaker, 198 of 369. The best movies based on books, 24 of 46. The greatest legal dramas ever made, 7 of 23. The very best courtroom thriller movies.
The Last Outlaw.
Released 1993, directed by Jeff Murphy.
Buffalo 66.
Released 1998, directed by Vincent Gallo. More Buffalo 66, 25 of 37. Great movies about sad loner characters, 133 of 134. The best directorial debuts, famous actors, 43 of 105. The best Valentine's Day movies.
Eureka.
Released 1983, directed by Nicholas Roeg.
Heaven's Gate.
Released 1980, directed by Michael Cimino. More Heaven's Gate, 478 of 553. The greatest epic movies ever made, 194 of 399. The best Western movies ever made, 453 of 522. The greatest movies of the 1980s rank.
Killshot.
Released 2008, directed by John Madden.
Thursday. Masked and Anonymous.
Released 2003, directed by Larry Charles.
Passion Play.
Released 2010, directed by Mitch Glazer.
Spun. Shergar. Discover the heart of a champion.
Released 1999, directed by Dennis Lewiston.
Act of Love.
Released 1980, directed by Judd Taylor.
Homeboy. Francesco. The Informers. Man on Fire. Bullet.
Released 1996, directed by Julian Temple. More 73 of 105. The best good movies, 55 of 63. The best movies about gangs.
Domino. Harley, Davidson, and the Marlboro Man.
Released 1991, directed by Simon Windsor.
91/2 weeks.
91/2 weeks.
Johnny Handsome. Iron Man 2. A Prayer for the Dying. Year of the Dragon.
Year of the Dragon.
Body Heat.
Released 1981, directed by Lawrence Kasdan. Body Heat 504 of 557. The greatest film scores of all time, 40 of 62. The best movies where the bad guy wins.
The Pledge. Diner.
Diner.
Rumblefish.
Rumblefish.
Barfly.
Barfly.
Sin City.
Sin City.
The Wrestler.
The Wrestler. Angel and Hansard.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.